In the quiet of the morning light, where the sun meets the edge of night, there's a beauty in the simple things that only a heart awake can bring. And as the world begins to stir, we find our place in the symphony. Every note a whispered word of love and possibility. Oh, these are the beautiful moments where time slows down to let us breathe. In the warmth of a tender touch, in the laughter that sets us free. Through the seasons, through the years, through the joy and through the tears, we gather memories like flowers